And to our fourth placer, congratulations to Gabriel Ryan Paradero from Pasig City. Alright, so let's proceed to the sixth placer. To our sixth placer, congratulations to Gabriel Ryan Paradero from Pasig City. To our fourth placer, congratulations to Gabriel Ryan